Hey, Super Science teachers, Beverly Owens here, sharing some exciting news with you, an opportunity to get some resources for your classroom. Through the generous support of the Burrs Welcome Fund and the Career Award for Science and Mathematics teachers, I'm able to offer some different resources that can support our instruction this year. So these materials are going to support a variety of different topics that we teach in middle school science. So I wanted to share with you this playlist, and you will have access to this playlist. So this is kind of a platform that we can use to collaborate district-wide so we can share resources. So for each of the materials that you select to utilize in your classroom through a Google survey that I'm getting ready to send out, you are committing to sharing some kind of activity that you develop. So it could be a lesson plan, it could be a lab, it could be video of how you use that particular material in a lesson that you've developed. So this playlist is a way that we can collaborate district-wide and to support new teachers that are changing grade levels. So for example, I've linked one activity that I've developed here, and this is not necessarily based on any of the resources that we'll be receiving this year, but it is a freshwater illustrated study guide. So this is just some kind of thing to show you an example. So I developed this to help students have some visuals in representing fresh water. So as you look through this playlist for different materials, this is one thing that's linked on there, and you can just go through that as something you could print off, and then there's an answer key. So this is just an example of one type of material that you could upload. You can upload videos, pictures, whatever kind of multimedia like Google Slides and digital activities that you might utilize to support using that particular resource that you receive in your classroom. And that way we can kind of support each other and collaborate countywide also.